In this video, I reveal how beginners really make money online. I'll cut through the BS and share exactly what you need to do to make money fast and build passive income as a beginner. And even if you've tried making money online before, this video is for you too, so stick with me. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time for more than 20 years now, and I've seen way too much BS over the years. Things like drop shipping, Amazon, online surveys, and more are frequently overhyped. Truth is, they are not nearly as easy as you're led to believe. Many times beginners are lured into an online side hustle with terms like automatic, guaranteed, or risk-free. And spending a lot of money on a so-called training course that could make you $1 million probably isn't a wise investment either. Sure, some people have made a fortune online, but they are not the norm. If you've already tried one or more of these methods to make money online and you've not had the success you expected, you are not alone. It's not your fault. So let's cut through the BS and establish some realistic expectations and, more importantly, how you can achieve them. Can you make money online? Absolutely. Can you make significant money that way? Yes, many do. And thanks to making money online, I haven't worked a real job in years. But it requires the right opportunity, the very best training, support, and mentoring, and yes, it takes some work. So don't fall for the we'll build it for you nonsense. I tell people that making money online is simple, but it's not easy. You will have to put in the time. But with what I'm going to share, you can do it in just a few hours a week, whenever it's convenient for you. So this is how I earn money. It might be just right for you too. It's beginner simple. Almost anyone can do it. For about 4 years now, this has been my #1 recommended income stream. It's an exclusive affiliate marketing opportunity. And I love affiliate marketing, especially for beginners. There is a very short learning curve, nothing to inventory. You can make an excellent income with passive income too. And since it's all done online, it can be real easy on your schedule. Our business markets 4 high-demand digital products priced from $10 to $1,000. And the company pays us 80% commissions for every sale, so you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And you can get paid passive or recurring income on 3 of the products too. You know, money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales that you make each day. Think about getting paid months from now for what you do today without any additional effort. And here's what makes it so simple to do all of this, and why I think it's the best way to make money online. You will have your own high-converting online marketing system. It has lead capture pages, sales pages, and emails to send out. You will not have to create anything. Your system will be just like the marketing system that I use, but yours will be personalized to brand and promote you. And this system really leverages your time. It's easy to do this around everything else in life. You do not need to be home or at a desk to do it. I even do it while I'm out sailing. You will get excellent training and support. We have a great training website with dozens of how-to videos, including our unique quick start strategy that helps many people make money on their first day. We hold daily, live, interactive conference calls on Zoom, led by industry leaders. And these Zoom calls are recorded if you can't be there live. Plus, we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. And then lastly, I will mentor you personally. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money online is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day, even if you are an online beginner. So to learn more about how beginners really make money online and to start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.